Alright, so stopped at the lodge for a minute, did a look at the gift shop. They don't really have much, you know, that I would be interested in, but hey, to each their own. They just kind of have the one food truck there, and that is it. Now maybe down there it's different, I don't know, maybe. But let's head down and get towards yeah, lead, right? Lead, lead, I don't know, whatever it is. I don't know if it's lead or lead. Hopefully the rain's done, but I doubt it. But I do know this, my bike is completely filthy. Yeah. Yeah, she a dirty, well, it's black, but you know they'll say, he a dirty white boy. Yeah, that's kind of what the bike is, except it's, you know, black, not. Anyway, just move along. Yeah, today has just been one of those days where the rain just does not want to stop. It just, the sun, rain, annoying. So I don't know how much further it is to get to lead, whatever it is. It can't be very far. It can't be more than like probably maybe 5 to 10 miles, maybe. Flowing down towards the city of Spearfish, so that means we're still at least trending up a little bit. I don't know what he's doing. Nest. Everybody's at the boar's nest right now, which is kind of weird because it's, you know, in between time. You know, it's what, 2:30? Yeah, it's not lunchtime, not dinner time. Past Highway 44. I think we're coming down to where the reservoirs are. In fact, I think I can see it peeking through the trees over there. So it's still kind of cloudy, as you can see, and it's getting chilly. Its temperature's probably dropped. We're probably right around 65, 70, probably about 70. They said the high today was only going to be about 75, 78, something like that. So it's been cloudy, dreary, ugly. Yeah, just no bueno. Should be like 20. Alright, I'm going to try this one more time. The camera shut off on me twice. I don't know why. Unless it thinks, you know, my video sucks. Which, I mean, that could be too. You're an asshole. I'm not working anymore because you suck. Actually, it looks like the battery's just about dead. That's why it's dying. The battery's dead. Alright, I'll pick this up in a minute. too far from the Hill City cutoff, so just past the reservoir. It's just, yeah, I don't know why, but yeah, whatever. It's fine. This is fine. It's all fine. I'm breaking stuff. It's fine. All right, I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. All right, so stopped at the junction and gotta use the bathroom. Took a look at some of the vests and stuff. Glasses on my face, I good. Yeah. Let's head back. Well, we're gonna miss the light, which is fine. Which is fine. It's fine. Time-wise, we should be just about perfect. And it says, yeah, I thought I heard it beeping at me again. It says 10 miles to Keystone. So it's probably chill for like, I don't know, 15 minutes. It's fine. It's fine. But yeah, you know what? So far, I ain't complaining. There's so much crap I gotta look at when I stop. Check all my crap. We'll see. I mean, if I don't know if I want to do. We'll check the weather and see, because it's still kind of cloudy. Like we're gonna get more rain. It's like, what the fudge? We might just head back towards town via probably via Rapid, because I don't feel like messing with the damn construction again over here today. Please change light. There we go. Maybe, possibly. The fudge. There we go. I'm like, what the hell? Alright, let's get over towards the powder house and stuff my face with some prime rib. Because that guy getting hungry. That guy's hungry. That guy hasn't eaten. Well, that guy had ice cream at, 11 o'clock. Other than that, that guy hasn't eaten since breakfast. Yeah, like I said, I have to chill for like what? Let's call it probably 15 minutes or so, which is fine. I can do that. That's not a problem. Look at that damn fog on the mountains. Yeesh. I think they said Monday and Tuesday it's supposed to start warming up. Basically Sunday it's supposed to start warming up. So let's just chat for a second what I think I'm going to do. And I might try to put this part up first. Yeah, hi y'all. How y'all doing? You doing good? Are you at Sturgis? You having fun? Did you get too soaked today? Today, by the way, is Thursday. So for the first day of the rally, I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually for Friday, the 1st of August, the first official day of the rally. I think I'm going to go ahead and do the Badlands tomorrow. Why? Because it shouldn't be too crowded. Well, it might be a little bit crowded with people coming that way, but, I don't think it's going to be too nasty. And on top of it, I think a lot of the things in town, in the area, like the big three, Black Hills, Harley, downtown, they'll be crazy with people there. So it's like, you know what? I'm going to skip that. I'll do that on Saturday. I'll do the rally at 8:55 on Saturday. have something to eat, and then I'm going to head over to the chip to go to the Professional Monkeys meet and greet. So if any of y'all want to say hey to me, I know, okay, no, none of y'all want to say hi to me. I understand that. That's fine, you know. But maybe, possibly, I don't know. There might be one or two of you people who like me more than you like him. If you do, hey, wow, I'm impressed. But let's face it, he's a professional monkey. I think I'm going to go with like amateur asshole, maybe. I don't know. Semi-professional, something that starts with a P. I don't know. Or an S. Semi-professional shithead. Let's go with that. I don't know. Why not? So that's what we're going to do tomorrow, is hit the Badlands. Probably stop for lunch somewhere in the town of Interior or in Wall or something. I don't know. Might stop at Wall Drug for a minute. Stop at Wall Harley Davidson, because why not? See what they've got. Maybe they've got it, or I should say Badlands Harley Davidson. Maybe get something from there. I don't know, a t-shirt or something. You know what? I've got so many t-shirts. It's like, I don't really need a lot more right now. Yeah, I bought one from Sundance because it looked cool on both the front and the back. That's kind of why I bought it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought it. But as for, yeah, so that's tomorrow's plans. Then Saturday, like I said, I think I'm going to spend at least the morning at Black Hills Harley, checking out the vendors, and hopefully I might start actually at J&P. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But then go over to, I don't know. So that means I'll probably start with breakfast at the school again. No, I won't. Saturday I'll start at breakfast at, I take it back. Saturday I'm going to go straight downtown. I'm going to go straight to the Rally Days 55, because I'm going to go to Golden Corral and stuff my face over there. And then make it to the Rally Days 55. If any of y'all want me to set something to arrange to be at somewhere at a certain time for something, okay. But other than that, yeah, I think just simply saying, hey, I'm going to be at the Monkeys meet up tomorrow afternoon, I think that does the trick. As for what I'm going to wear, I don't know. I'll probably be rocking. Yeah, I might rock the yellow Armed American Supply shirt that says, "If you see me running, things have gone badly. You should run too." I think that'll probably be the plan. It's trying to start spitting again. Yep, that's great. That's right. So far today's been a good day. I've covered I've covered probably about 350 miles, something like that. There's the powerhouse. Alright, let's chill for about 20 minutes or so before a fat guy can stuff his face. Yeah, they don't have everything all blocked off for bikes yet. But they will. Beep, beep, beep. Get off the brake, dumbass. Alright. I need to chill for about 20 minutes, which I can do. Alright, we'll talk to you after Fat Guy stuffs his face. See you later. Oh, Powder House Lodge. Every time I come here, I forget how good this place is. It's arguably the best meal you're going to have in the entire area. I'm sorry, it is. How much you spend is completely up to you. They've got decent burger. You can get in and out of here for under 20 bucks if you wanted to. You know, you can get a burger, you know, and you just drink water, and it'll be under 20 bucks. Or you could have a really, really good steak, or a really, really good cut-up prime rib. So, I don't know. What the hell is she talking about? Alright, so... Oh, come on, neutral. There you are. Alright, so... I need to stop on the way back. And I want to top the tank up. And I'm going to want to... find a CVS or something like that. Find a CVS or something like that and go ahead and I need to pick up some cleaner for glasses on my face. I need to pick up some cleaner for my shield. Some just, you know, lens cleaner, basically. Up the hill out of Keystone. Yeah, it's just, I would have done the big three, at least Needles and Iron Mountain, but I mean, it's only like 66, 67 degrees here right now. It's like, yeah, do I really want to go up another, 1,500 feet where it's probably going to be 60? Not really. Not really. So we'll head back down towards Rapid, and I'm sure I'll be able to find a CVS or something like that in that area. But getting back to the Powder House, I mean, there's options for you that'll keep you in the $25 range if you want to go that way, and there are options that if you can get to them, get you into the $60 range a person. Mine out the door was 50 bucks, including tip and everything. It was 50 bucks for a 16-ounce cut of prime rib, which is for a 16-ounce cut of prime rib that is arguably the best cut of prime rib you're going to have pretty much anywhere, with a few elite exceptions. I still think the best cut of prime rib I've ever had was at the Chicago Cut Steakhouse in downtown Chicago. But it came with a downtown Chicago premium price as well. I mean, I think a 16-ounce cut of prime rib there was like $70 or something like that. It was pricey. And it's not something I'm going to eat a lot. But this, I'll be back there at least once, if not two more times. In addition, it's just been really chill, y'all, all day. So it's just kind of been annoying. But we'll be back in Rapid here in a little bit. This is an okay ride, but it's nothing spectacular. For being a 4-lane divided highway, it's not bad, but it's not, you know, it's not Needles or Iron Mountain. So in rapid success, I got the solution, which is good. So let's get back to camp, and with any luck, I don't know, we'll see. Let's see what I want to do. I don't know. Half of me wants to go to Kickstand and see Jasmine, but the other half is like, you know what, just be a bum tonight, because you're going to be out late tomorrow. Seeing ZZ Top. Seeing the ZZ Top. Oh, this is going to be a while. There's neutral. Alright. And then the other half is like, you know, you want to see her anyway, so I don't know. Like I said, tomorrow's ZZ Top. Saturday will be a bum day. I won't really do anything Saturday. Sunday I'm torn. I need to see what time Hank Jr.'s playing, what time that Colt Ford's playing at the Knuckle. All things being considered, yeah, well, I kind of would rather see Bo Cephas. I mean, Bo Cephas is going to cost me $80. I don't think Colt Ford is going to be but maybe $20, $25 at most. And that's even if the Knuckle has a cover. I don't know if they will or not. Monday's Five Finger Death Punch. Probably will go see them. Tuesday is Aldine and Disturbed. That's the tough call. Which way do I go on that one? Especially, what in the fudge is that? Especially if, you know, I mean, Aldine will go on probably about 10:30 or so at the chip. Disturbed, I mean, if they're going on at like 8, yeah, okay, then I need to both. Absolutely. But I don't know if they're going to go, if Disturbed will go on at 8 or if they'll go on later. That might be the good reason to go to Hank Jr. is see what time he goes on. I don't know. I honestly don't know. But I might go look and see if they've got a schedule or something like that. Because, I mean, somebody's probably opening for Hank Jr. I just don't know who it'll be. So, I'll go, when I get back, I'll look, and I might chime in from the camper with, you know, details like that. I don't know. I might try to get this up tonight, at least a little bit here. Going over, you know, plans and stuff. But I can get over one more. But yeah, so the big thing to remember is tomorrow we're going to hit the Badlands and then go to the chip overnight. And then Monday will be, you know, Sunday, I don't know which way I'm going. Saturday will be kind of a bum day around the campground because there's really nothing going on. Tuesday, I'll probably go see Jason Aldean. That's where I'm leaning towards, because yet again, this Sturgis is going to cost me extra money. I already have the pass for the ship. Wednesday is Gretchen Wilson, but also it's Nickelback. Probably will go see Nickelback. I don't know. Yet again, the difference is the pass is already paid for at the chip versus I'd have to spend extra money to go to the throttle. I don't know if I've ever seen one like this where it's 2 lanes for left turns. It's got a blinking. Okay, now it's green. That might be why it blinks, is because the green arrow comes later. Is it 2 blocks, I think? I think so. Mount Rushmore Society. Okay. Thursday's Marilyn Manson, right? Yeah, I don't really care about that. Was Thursday? I think Thursday is the other show with Jasmine at Kickstands. I don't know. I might see that. I don't know. And Friday, I'm probably going to go, I might go for one last ride and then load up and roll, or I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But I'm probably going to leave Friday around, probably, my guess is around 10, 11 o'clock. And then I'll just basically drive as far as I can before I get too tired. Find a Walmart or a Cracker Barrel or something and just run the generator and boondock, and yeah, and then try to get home Saturday. At least that's what I'm thinking. That's where I'm leaning. I don't know. I don't know. And then it's 52 full weeks until we get the rally again, because everything backs up. I think. I don't know. I have to count. I'm pretty sure it's because it backs up the week because of the first now being Saturday, so that means, yeah, I don't know. I don't know at this point. Alright, so upon further evaluation, my bike's already so dirty. What's the difference if I go down Pleasant Valley through the gravel or if I go down downtown? So yeah, I'm just going to go down Pleasant Valley and Fort Meade Way and just go that way, because yeah, it's quicker. It'll be quicker. And I don't know if I really want to mess with downtown today. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm gonna do. We'll just go slow and take my time, and yeah. You got blow up bottles. Not blow up dolls, blow up bottles. Although the Jim Beam looks like it's a little limp. Looks like it's a little limp. Alrighty, come on, Super Duty, what are you doing? 6.7 high output. Gravel. No shit. Yes, it's gravel. Actually, this ain't too bad. Pleasant Valley's not too bad. Now what Fort Midway is going to be like, who knows? Well, okay. You ever hear of a blinker, dude? I get it, you're a South Dakotan, but do you ever hear of a blinker? Yeah, I don't know if my neighbors are coming in today or they're not going to come in until tomorrow. Ow. We got some craters and stuff, so I don't want to use the highway pegs. Oh, you got guys coming this way, so it can't be too bad. But and there are two up in it, so that's good to know. Bump. I wonder how much rain they got around here. I know I was in and out of it all day. It would rain, then it would stop, then you would dry out. Then it would rain, and it would stop and dry out. It was like it was just over and over again dealing with that. It's like, what the hell? All right, there's Fort Midway. There's Fort Midway. Pull in the clutch. I don't want a double momentum. I don't want to do a double momentum changer. I mean, it is washboard, but it's not terrible. But yeah, it's like 4 miles, I think. When the storm starts getting bad and you hear them sirens humming, grab a 6-pack and a lawn chair, there's a tornado coming. Oh, music's playing up and down the block. Mostly Christian blues, country folk, and southern rock. It's our little piece of paradise way out here in the woods. There's something going on down in the trailer hood. I don't know if that's going to get me more subs or if that's going to kill my subscriber count. I don't know. I don't care. I did it. I'd do it again too. I'd do it again too. Alright, well, I'm going to stop at Kickstarter, top the tank up real quick. And then today is over. So, my second day, still technically the rally hasn't started yet. The rally starts tomorrow officially. But, you know what? We did some good riding today. We got some good miles in. It'll be about probably 420, 430 miles, all things considered. And then tomorrow will be another kind of long day because, you know, going to go to the Badlands, so that'll be, what, let's call that probably 250, 300 miles. And then that's pretty much the long day's done. I mean, yeah. Everything else is going to be more or less in the probably 200-ish miles. Something like that. y'all be safe. Keep that shiny side up. You keep that greasy side down. We'll catch y'all tomorrow, as it's Badlands Day tomorrow. All right. Later, guys. Like, share, sub, all that good stuff. See ya.